Hey, hello my friends, welcome back. Today I want to continue on showing you how to on the last video I showed you how to remove and replace a tri-bell on 2012 Acura TL. Today I want to continue on showing you how to replace the tri-bell tensioner on the 2012 Acura TL. Alright, let's get started. So what we do is pretty similar to the first one, that we remove the tri-bell, and then we'll go on from there. I'll show you how to remove the tensioner. So first of all, I'm gonna remove the tri-bell, since you already know this step from the other video. So alright, we have the tri-bell removed. What we're gonna do next is we'll turn the wheel out to the outer side. Okay, when you turn the wheel out, you'll see the plastic clips right here. See that plastic clips right there? Just remove that one so that we can pull the cover down. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the clips right here. Okay, so you get the clips off. Alright, so remove that clips there, and then there's another one down here. Just remove that one as well. After you remove these clips and these clips right here, you can pull the cover down. Then after you pull the cover down, you can see so you can see the tensioner right there. So after you take the cover out, you can see the 10mm ball right here and the 6mm Allen wrench. So after you remove those two, you can remove the tensioner out. Then we can get to the 8mm, I mean the 6mm Allen bolt from the top here. So we got the 10mm ball loose, and the 8mm Allen bolt loose. So now we can take it out all the way. So this is the 8mm Allen bolt. Then we can take that 10mm bolt all the way, and the tensioner should be come out. Okay, so we have the 8mm bolts out. Then the tensioner, you can pull the tensioner up to the top. So we have the 8mm bolt removed, the 8mm Allen bolt removed. Then we can pull the tensioner out to the top. There you go. That's how to remove the tri-belt tensioner on a 2012 Acura TL. And to install it, just put it in the reverse order. Just slide it back in. Then let it rest there. Then you put on the 8mm Allen bolt first. So making sure that the bolt line up with the bolt hole. Then hand tighten it. Then after you hand tighten the 8mm bolt, install the bottom 10mm bolt as well. Just hand tighten it as much as you can, so to prevent it from cross-threaded. Then make sure that you tighten it to the final step. Get that top one tight, making sure that you tighten the bottom one as well. I mean, you can do everything from the top, but since I already have these open up, I just go from the side here. I found it just easier for me. So it's up to you. That's your preference. So making sure that the 10mm tie and the 8mm tie. Then that's it. We put the tri-belt back on and start the car up. Making sure that everything is tight and working normal. Okay, that's tie. 8mm tie. Then we can put the tri-belt back on. So we got the tri-bell back on. Double check it's lined up properly. All the pulleys. Yep, they all line up. So let's put the cover back on and we start the car up. Alright, so the cover installed back on, the 2 clips. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to replace the tri-bell tensioner on a 2012 Acura TL. So that's pretty much it. Let's go start it up and making sure that the tri-bell stay on, and that should be it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you have any question or comments, leave it in the comments, and I'll answer it to my best knowledge. Alright, thank you guys. I'll go start it up and to confirm it. Go, the engine's running. Let's go check in the tri-bell to see if it's still in place. Yes, it is. It's still everything lined up good, no noise, everything is in place, in good working order. Alright, so thank you guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope that the video was helpful. Please leave it in the comments if you have any comments. Alright, thank you very much. I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day.